Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to sign up for Doordash full tutorial. So guys, the first thing that you will do is simply go open up your Google Play Store, and from here just simply tap on the search at the middle bottom and search for Doordash. And from here guys, just simply tap on the app and just make sure you install this application into your device. And now let's open it up. And from here guys, it will redirect you to the sign up page. So from here, you can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, or you can just simply continue with email or phone. So I'm going to tap on continue with email or phone. And from here at the top, I can have an option sign up. So guys, from here, you will have two options. You can either add your details manually, or you can just simply continue with Google or Facebook. So I'm going to continue with Google. And from here, just simply provide your email and tap on next. And from here, just simply provide your password, tap on next. And from here, just tap on continue. And after that, it will automatically fill up your first name and last name and your email. And from here down below, just simply provide a country of your number. And after that, just simply provide the mobile number. And from there, when you tap on sign up, you should be able to create an account. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!